Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics Leave channel. In today's session we are going to understand a core concept of Google Analytics 4 events. If you want to track user interactions and truly understand user behavior, events are the foundation of GA4. What are events in GA4? In GA4, events are actions or interactions that users perform on your website or mobile application. Unlike Universal Analytics, where tracking was based on sessions and page views, GA4 is completely event-based. Everything in GA4 is tracked as an event. Examples of events. Each of these user interactions is captured as an event in GA4. Types of events in GA4. Begin creating GA4 events at the bottom of this pyramid and work up. Number 1. Automatically collected events. These are tracked by default without any setup. Number 2. Enhanced measurement events. These are automatically tracked when enabled in data stream settings. Number 3. Recommended events. These are predefined events suggested by GA4 for specific use cases. Number 4. Custom events. These are user-defined events based on specific business needs. What are event parameters? Event parameters provide additional details about an event. Why are events important? Events are the backbone of GA4 and help you to track user interactions in detail, measure conversions and key actions, understand user journey, build audiences, improve marketing strategies. Marking events as key events. In GA4, important events can be marked as key events. For examples, Number 1 purchase, Number 2 lead submission, Number 3 sign up. This helps you focus on critical business actions. How to create events in GA4? You can create events in 2 ways. Number 1. Using GA4 interface. Go to Admin, Events. Click on Create Event. Define conditions. Number 2. Using Google Tag Manager. Step number 1. Configure tags. Step number 2. Set triggers. Step number 3. Send event data to GA4. Pro tips for events in GA4. Use recommended event names whenever possible. Avoid creating duplicate events. Always validate events in debug view. Add meaningful parameters for better insights. Mark only important events as key events. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your network. See you in the next video.